Another day, another video, and another vlog this Holy Week for 2024. Kaya naman, since it's Sunday, magsisimba tayo for today's video since it's Palm Sunday. Kaya naman, simulan natin with our pabango from Minyel's Perfume Collection, the Evictus Design and Perfume. I am bought.
Pussy open, then I tell her bring it back. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her.
Hi there, and for today's video and vlog, since it's Palm Sunday 2024, samahan nyo ko para magsimba. Dito lang yan sa ating lugar sa Bacolod City, walang iba kundi sa San Sebastian Cathedral sa Diocese ng Bacolod. And before natin tunguhin yung simbahan, bibili muna tayo ng palaspas for this Palm Sunday. Tagpila. Ano ba yung tema niya? Salang. At yun nga, nakabili na tayo ng palaspas for only 20 pesos sa labas ng cathedral. Kaya naman magsimba na tayo together with our rector here at the San Sebastian Cathedral with Father Ronald Quijano. And as what you can see guys here in our cathedral, maraming mga renovations pa ang ginagawa. It's actually an ongoing interior renovations ng buong cathedral dito sa Bacolod. Kaya naman, pagpasensyahan nyo na muna yung aming place dito. But then after a couple of years, after a couple of months ng renovation, I know na marami ang magagalak at mapapahanga sa ganda ng ating Bacolod Cathedral. Diba? And now, patapos na nga yung misa na inatinan natin for today, and we are just waiting for the final blessing galing sa ating priest, presider for today's mass. Kaya naman, we are very blessed and honored together with some other Catholic Christian na nandito sa cathedral ngayon. You are very blessed, you're very honored, at syempre, happy na naman si God. Thank you po sa ating mga Catholic Christians na nag-attend sa ating mass today. And of course, it's time na for the final blessing. At after nyan, magbi-bless na ng mga palaspas for the whole attendees ng ating mass dito sa San Sebastian Cathedral. Wow! Grabe talaga ang devotion ng ating mga Catholic Christians dito sa Bacolod. And try to imagine guys we have at least 8 to 10 hours of Mass every Sunday. And sobrang dami pa rin ng tao dito sa ating katedral. And for that, natapos na natin yung ating obligation for today. Nakapagsimba na tayo with our palaspas this Palm Sunday. And I think that will be all for today. See you on our next vlog. Bye!